whole idea of this campus is we're engineering design campus and practical, so it's a vocational degree they do here. Everything the student designs, they have to know how to make it as well. We've had the BigRep now for just under a year. It's just changed the way we design and build things. Before we had the large format 3D printer, we used to machine the shape of the wing on a mini mill. Now we've got the 3D printer, the BigRep, take a design from the student, and then we just punch it into the printer and print it in one large print, and then go straight into the wind tunnel. So as part of our continued improvement of the Caterham racing car, we've decided to try and add some aerodynamics, and part of this, as printed on a BigRep printer, is the left-hand front wing. This is a mould which is going to form a carbon fibre door for the driver. Apparently it gets a bit wet during a lot of the racing, and so we designed a new door for it, and this is the mould, again printed on the BigRep. The other thing it does give you is it doesn't limit your imagination, because the whole thing that we've had before, we've had a smaller printer and we've always wanted to print slightly bigger, but we've never had the option. But now we can go really big. If there's an easy way to do it, an engineer will find it. And 3D printing is so much easier than trying to make something out of foam.